What's the smallest tactical decision you witnessed that had the largest strategic impact on an entire campaign? I was deployed to Afghanistan in 2011 when our unit commander made what seemed like an insignificant call that ended up changing everything. We were tasked with securing a small village that intelligence suggested was a Taliban transit point. Standard procedure would have been to roll in with our full convoy. 5 vehicles, heavy weapons, the works. But our lieutenant had been studying local customs. The night before we moved out, he called us together and said, "We're going in with just 2 vehicles. No heavy weapons visible." The team sergeant nearly lost it. "Sir, with all due respect, that's suicide if we make contact." The LT just shook his head. "This village lost 3 children to a misidentified strike last year. Every time they see a full military convoy, they see those kids. We go in quiet or we don't get what we need." Against everyone's better judgment, we followed his plan. 2 vehicles, minimal profile. When we arrived, instead of the usual scattering of civilians, the village elder actually approached us. The lieutenant got out alone, removed his helmet, and sat with the man for tea. That single cup of tea led to intelligence about Taliban movement patterns we'd been missing for months. Within 3 weeks, we disrupted 4 major supply routes and captured a regional commander. Later, I asked him how he knew it would work. He just said, "Sometimes the best show of force is showing restraint." That one decision to leave the heavy weapons behind ultimately gave us more strategic advantage than a dozen combat operations.